Hi again. Okay, I'm here with Mark Sandoval from Quality Care Home Inspections. We have another question for him. So when you are thinking of selling your home, there's a few things that sometimes you actually know that there is, I don't know, a little leak or something going on with the house, but you kind of let it go. Well, here is from the expert the advice of what can you do before you list your home. Maybe there is a recommendation that us thinking of, okay, we put houses in the market, but we already kind of know that there's some things going wrong. There is something you can do about it. So what would that be?
It is important to hire a home inspector prior to listing your home. Why is it important to hire a home inspector prior to listing your home? You want to make sure that before you list a property or your home, you want to make sure that your components, meaning HVAC, water heater, let's say your garage door, let's say the roof, if there are any issues within those areas, you want to make sure those areas are covered and or repaired prior to listing your home. Why? Because the person that's going to be purchasing your home is going to hire a home inspector. That home inspector is going to come to your home and is going to report any defects that are occurring or need attention.
Something that I usually, I don't know, right? I see that everybody gets in trouble is outlets. Your outlets, just make sure that they're ready. So you have a home inspector, your GFI or whatever those little pushing things that you see there, make sure that those are ready. So if you have a home inspector coming and check your house, inspect your house before, you now are ready. You are now confident that your house will be okay after a home inspection from the buyer, because the home inspectors are from the buyers actually pay for them. So if you do one, then you feel more comfortable because now you know that your house is ready. So if you need someone, call Mark and me. Okay, so until the next one, take care, subscribe and like, and see you soon.
Thank you.